Hello, welcome back to English Speaking with Xoliswa. If it is your first time here, welcome. If not, welcome back. So, today we are going to have a reading exercise. Now, this reading that I chose is a very simple and easy reading exercise that is for my beginner students that have just started practicing their English language. Now, I'm going to read and then pause and give you a chance to read as well. And then I'm going to read again so that you can hear the pronunciation before moving on to the next page. And then we are going to have a comprehension exercise at the end. The black cat. Now, what I like to do with my students is whenever we do some reading, when there is a picture, I do ask them to describe it for me. For example, I'm going to throw out a couple of questions and then you will answer them on your own and you can leave them down below in the comment section. For example, what do you see in the picture? I can say I see a black cat with green eyes looking into the distance. He seems very focused on something. He looks very serious and he's outside because he's on the grass and there are trees surrounding him. Now, we are going to continue to get into the story. The Black Cat. I am going to read it twice and then give you a few seconds to read it as well before going on to the next page. The Black Cat. A black cat lives on my street. He walks up and down the street every day. The cat has no family and likes to eat from the trash. A black cat lives on my street. He walks up and down the street every day. The cat has no family and likes to eat from the trash. One day, he chased a large dog all the way home. The black cat is not scared of other dogs or cats. He looks old and his fur is always dirty. I want to bring him home, but Dad says he belongs in the street. One day, he chased a large dog all the way home. The black cat is not scared of other dogs or cats. He looks old and his fur is always dirty. I want to bring him home, but Dad says he belongs in the street. Here is a comprehension exercise just to test your listening skills and your memory. So I am going to read the questions, give you a couple of seconds to answer, and then we are going to go over the answers together. Number 1. What does the black cat do every day? Number 2. What does he like to do? Number three, do you think he is strong? Why or why not? Number four, why can't they take him home? Now, here are the answers. Let's see how many you got correct. Number one, what does the black cat do every day? He walks up and down the street. Number two, what does he like to do? He likes to eat from the trash. Number three, do you think he is strong? Why or why not? He is strong because he chased a dog away. Number four, why can't they take him home? Dad said he belongs to the street. Thank you for watching. Now, do let me know how many you got correct in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and I will see you in our next exercise. Thank you.